incident is quite concerning, and many of the images that we have seen are disturbing. My heart goes out to the families who have been dislocated. I see a particular image of a newborn and the mother being displaced. These are the tragedies, and it is one thing. You notice how it has skip and how it just cut and stuck? Yeah, they must say AI and editing tool and all type of thing him use. Because if you don't listen carefully, may I make sure pull it up back and turn it up, make on hear it louder. Watch. Yeah. Cause, hey. Yeah, my people, people, them say me evil, but not believe, believe, they cannot reason, you say. Yeah, what you know? People, yo, may I tell you, say, but I think I go on now. Them say Andrew respond, finally forward out time shell and open up and talk about the Cooper's Pen situation where it seems as if he's taking complete accountability for being responsible for the demolition. See? The demolitioning, right, project and the corrupted way of how the police them lock up the man them, go for them 3 o'clock in the morning so that they weren't able to defend their spouse in their house and their children and other kids them. See? So right now at that, we see them a beat the government with the fact of how them go lock up the man them without a just cause. Zine, that's so unlawful. That goes to show you we're living in a dictatorship type of iron fist type of rulership. Is what I say? John, it's a cross-thread situation. Make we read off this before going at it and play it. Zine? Say here, everything. So this is from BOJ TV, Zin, and this is not Bank of Jamaica. No. I might have to check it out, or the BOJ TV mean. Zin, we know say something probably of Jamaica television live, Zin. So them say Holness break silence on Cooper's Pen demolition, promises support for displaced families, right? In a voice statement posted to social media Friday, Holness said he was particularly troubled. By images showing vulnerable families, including mother and her newborn child, yes, affected by the demolition. Everybody is supposed to see the mother there with the baby she had 3 days before, right? The demolition had took place. And you know, them said the navel string not drop yet. You know what I mean? Yeah, so with all that, people also been speculating and saying that the voice note statement were posted to social media by Andrew. They must say it's AI Andrew use. Andrew start use the AI thing there. Like what him do, him would have just write the script and feed it to the computer software, the AI program we might use, and have it. I don't know how much I'm familiar with Doodle. It's sort of a grammar thing. Zine? A grammar app or software will help you for correct your speech. Or if you have an essay, it format it the best way. You get what I say? So them program they might use and the AI for do the voice statement. Because people are saying the AI might use. Because remember, you know, everybody in this big thing, you know, corporation, politician and leadership, them I use the AI to promote it and I make it much more visible, right? So for people to gain interest in it, you see me? So enough people are speculators say AI Andrew use, and if it not go so, it almost go so. We know Jamaicans don't just come up out of the blue, so. You see me? Because them I say, why I'm never say it in a parliament, or we could have seen me say it. You get what I say? No. It's like him want you to believe him there, him yard, and him house, and just record himself and say it. So it not come after the people them as something like where really heartfelt as way must say. You see me? So they must say AI, so I gotta play it for no. You see me? So them say the real story, you know, can click on the link for see the real story. You see it? So make a play it, you know.
The incident is quite concerning, and many of the images that we have seen are disturbing. My heart goes out to the families who have been dislocated. I see a particular image of a newborn and the mother being displaced. These are the tragedies, and it is one thing.
All right, here to know people.
The incident is quite concerning, and many of the images that we have seen are disturbing. My heart goes out to the families who have been dislocated. I see a particular image of a newborn and the mother being displaced. These are the tragedies, and it is one thing that history does is to repeat itself. Right. And I am committed to ensure that our history is not repeated. Which is why I am unequivocal and very clear in not endorsing squatting and the illegal occupation of land. I do intend to address a specific matter.
You hear the tone when him talk about squatting. For sure, you say him sick of them people, right? And the people them must say it's like him take some accountability and owning it up. Because guess what? You can't expect a politician to come and say, me cause it, I me do it and my involvement, no. So when you see them not address it, because remember, Mark Golding came out and said, him not have nothing to do with it. The jail, the PMP, what you call them? One of the PMP parliamentarian who would have said, a vibe for the constituency in the Trelawney Cooper Spen area. You see the PMP representative were down there, so he came out and I said some things, right? And he make it clear, say him not know about it, and he make the people them know, say the same woman, she at the JLP councillor down there or whatever, the JLP minister, where a control down there. The PMP minister make it clear, say she knew about it. See? The man now hold on him out and talk. The man give the people them the date when she knew about it. And she came out and she went in the Cooper's Pen area where the house them demolished, and she deny any involvement and any knowledge of it, right? And then it's like when I time she take care of herself fast, because she said the people them come down and I get boisterous with her, you see it? So don't believe them.
The full details of the matter. The matter is quite complex, and it involves court rulings for which I need to be properly advised on those court rulings before I speak. Right. I do intend to, however, address the matter. As soon as the matter occurred and it was brought to my attention, I had no prior knowledge of it. None of our ministers, certainly not the member of parliament. I got a call very early in the morning, quite surprised, and immediately we mobilized resources from ODPEM and the Ministry of Labour and Social Security.
He must swear for the member of parliament so them never know about it. He only can swear for himself. You see me? But eventually him deny knowing any knowledge of it. So but you can't believe them. A lie, nothing no go, so it's impossible for them not know about it. Because all the police, remember, them say the entire police force, them there, Cooper spend that day, the entire police force were responsible for down that area, was on the spot. And our RSV Strong must know about it as security minister. Plus, the housing minister must know about it. We deal with property and, is what I say? Yeah. The geographical areas of Jamaica, them know about it, but them now own it up. Because who lie like politician?
To assist, because technically it was a disaster. And we have been able to respond in the humanitarian crisis that has been created. There is a longer term response that is necessary. So whatever the government does, it has to address the issue of informality, and we can't be too much about it. We have to speak straight about it. Squatting is wrong. Informal settlement is not.
You see what get him upset? But the squatting part get him mad, you know. Anytime him for talk about squatting, him get so upset. But him not so upset when him a talk about the demolition of the houses, and him not get so upset about the baby mother and the baby. Okay, so me I show you, this is how you see through people words, people. The jail people them. We jail the man them, you see it? When you say GLP, the man them a jail the man them for no reason. Well, for them ulterior motive. You see me? Them ulterior reason. See? But the PNP, yeah, you can say pain there. But remember, say, if there's no pain, then there's no gain. No gain, no gain. No pain, no pain, no pain, no pain, no gain, no gain. Yeah, so we have to love pain. Our earth it name. We have to get earth from your born baby. I forget pinch or ball. Or if you're not ball, something wrong with you. See? So pain have to come before the gain. You see what I say? Yes, so PNP. I better you rep PNP. The PN people them than the jail people them. If we go send you go do hard labor, a slavery.
Encouraged, but yes, every single Jamaican should have equal opportunity to get access to land and housing. We will have to find ways to support those families who are impacted. But what
3 term him get already, and you must say we need to find ways how to get Jamaican property and houses because Jamaican deserve it. So the 3 term we you get, you tell me say you never look into that. You see, say him not mean Jamaica no good. I just be a chatting. You see me I say, what has he been doing for Jamaica where him can say, yeah, that him do with him 3 term them. Him not giving no house, no land, no nail, no zinc, no rat. Yo, I just the rat and the roach, the snail and the chinks. With the money and the car and the chain and the link. So I'm to the book and the pencil and the pen, or I'm to the ink. Eh? I just, the only thing him give you a rat, roach, snail and chinks. Him not giving no Kool-Aid, lemonade and drinks. Him not giving no blood, no pork, champagne and shrimps. You see me? Him not giving no grape. Well, we don't want a grape. Boy, foot hype, go on with the grape. him not giving no orange. Yo, judge and make a cut it out. You see me? So that's how the thing go. Make a run off this.
response is we have to be careful that we don't set up precedents that is not sustainable. Because whatever we do now, everybody's going to expect that it is done going forward. So, which is why we're being very careful in preparing a response that is sustainable. And it will be corrected. In the same way we have developed this program, which every week I'm delivering a house to someone who is in need. It is the same way that we will develop a program to address squatter communities, irregularly settled communities, formalize them, regularize them, and prevent further squatting and informal settlement.
Yo, the man ain't like nothing about squatting.
The
You know? Man ain't like nothing about squatting. Anytime him for say squatting, it just come out as derogatory. You see me? For sure, you say them money are disgust of the poor people. You see me I say? The money don't have no love for the poor. If you don't have your things, your blings, your money and your rings, your chain and your links, them money don't want to see you. You see me? Him not have nothing for give you. So you have to have your things. You see me? That is where it is. We're going to stop it here. You see me?